Hello and welcome to Roosted. Today, we're diving into custom fields and how they can enhance the functionality of Roosted. We're currently in the Custom Fields editor, which you can find under the Configuration tab. There are three types of custom fields you can add: for workers, events, or clients. Let's start by creating a custom field for a worker. I'm going to add a date field and name it License Expiration. If you enable the Worker Editable option, workers will be able to update this field themselves in their profile. The Usable for Rules option allows you to use this custom field to filter which staff are eligible for specific shifts. Now let's head over to the Workers module to see our new custom field in action. You'll find an additional tab where custom fields are stored, and there's the License Expiration field we just created. Next, let's see what it looks like when a worker can update their own custom field. Every worker can access and edit their profile, so if allowed, they can update specific information about themselves directly. Now let's go to Calendar View to see how custom fields work with rules. I'm going to edit an event and add a skill set. Where it says No Rules, we can click to add a new custom field rule. This is where we define who is eligible to work these shifts based on the custom field we created earlier. Back in the Custom Fields editor, let's create a custom field for an event. The process is the same. Once created, you can use this field to store data that can be applied to billing, payroll, reports, or any other purpose. And now that we're back in the event, here we can see the custom field we just created. Let's go back to the Custom Fields editor one more time. This time, we're creating a custom field for a client profile. Once saved, we'll go to the Clients module and see our work. When editing a client, you'll see all the custom fields associated with that client. There's no limit to the number of custom fields you can create, making them a powerful tool for managing your data in Roosted. Thanks for watching.